We'll see that bleeder resistor. What will be the bleeder resistor? Generally, it is used in high voltage DC supplies to provide discharge path for a capacitor when RL is not present. You can easily understand. Suppose you have to you have a adapter charger, okay? You have to charge the charger. In that charger there is some voltage down converter transformer to convert to up to 5 volt DC, and that capacitor, there are so many circuit. But when capacitor will be charged, when we will plug the supply to the AC supply, capacitor will charge, okay? But when this volt charger is, suppose this is a very high voltage DC, suppose 110 volt DC, then capacitor charge up to 110 volt DC, and when no load is connected, then it will store the charges, and when load is connected, then it will discharge through the load, and when we remove the load, means it hold the charge, the capacitor. When someone touch this circuit, then it will be shock. That's why we will use the bleeder resistance. Then in absence of bleeder resistor, a large DC voltage will be present across the capacitor even when the AC supply is turned off. Why? Because once the capacitor is charged, it will hold the charges until it has present a discharge path is available across this capacitor. This high DC voltage across the capacitor can cause the electric shock if someone touches the plate of the capacitor. This is the rectifier circuit. This is the capacitor, inductor, and capacitor. The RB is the bleeder resistance, or RL is the load resistance. Bleeder resistance is very far greater than the load resistance. It provides voltage regulations. It provides safety to operator by providing discharging path to the capacitor. It is used as a voltage divider for the tapping out at any desired path. Suppose this is the bleeder circuit with the bleeder resistance, where suppose these are the circuit diagram for another. Let's put example. This is the circuit diagram for the DC battery charger. Suppose this is circuit diagram for the DC battery charger. Here load resistance. What will be the load resistance? This will be connected to the DC battery. Okay, means all the charges will be connected to the supply to the load resistance. Load resistance will be, what will be load resistance? Where we equipment will be connected for the charger or charge the battery. Once equipment will be removed, and then capacitor will be discharged through this bleeder resistance. When AC input is off, then it holding these capacitor charges, it will be turned off, or it will be discharged through the bleeder resistance when load is not connected. To safety for the shock protections or providing discharge path for the capacitor. Okay, this is the basic overview of the bleeder resistor.